tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Over here is Black Alpha. On this channel, Cash Magnet, we learn how to make money online passively. Whether you are looking for a side hustle, or you are looking for financial freedom, or you are unemployed and you are looking for something to do to make money for yourself, you are on the right spot or on the right place to learn how to make money online. So today I'm going to show you how to write a blog article in 2 steps, a simple one and a very detailed one. So without wasting your time, let's dive into today's video and show you how you can create a blog for yourself and how you can monetize the blog that you are going to write. So I'm going to show you 2 places you can earn money with the blog that you are going to write. Okay, so first let me show you how you can write a blog. Then second, I'm going to show you website that you can publish your blog article to, so that you can make money online. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's start. So a very simple one I'm going to show you. I'm going to leave a link, a prompt in the description that you can use every day for your blog if you want to use the simple method, and I'm going to show you how you can do the detailed one too. So stay tuned and don't skip or anything else. Just stay through and watch through it, and you understand what I'm going to tell you, and you're going to make money passively. Okay, so the very short one is to head back to my notes or my sticky note. So I have a prompt there. I'm going to leave it in the description. So once I copy this prompt, then head back to my AI. Then I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, so once I paste this prompt here, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description, so don't worry. So once I paste this prompt here, next thing I'm going to do is head back to this website called WRITTING keyword keyword generator tool. So once you get to this keyword generator tool, what you are going to do is you are going to search for a keyword or a phrase that you are going to write an article about. So let's just say we want to write our blog about how to make money online. So I'm going to put it in here, how to make money online in Ghana for free. So once I put in my article, I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so to write a very good article, even with the simple step that I'm going to show you, you have to do a keyword research. And for a keyword research, most of them use Hrefs and SEMrush and Ubersuggest and other stuff, which are paid tools. And these two here is a free tool, which I'm also going to leave this to link in the description. Okay, so once we put in our keyword here, it's going to give us a relevant keyword that we can write our articles about. So as you can see, this article here, how to make money online in Africa, has 2.8k volume. So these are a number of people who are searching for this type of article, and the difficulty here is very low, which means if you write this article for your blog website or for someone or for another site, that site is going to rank this article in very easy. So if I talk about ranking, this article is technically going to show up first or second, or let's say 1 to 5 on Google if you search this type of keyword. So if you really write it well, this article is going to pop up first, and I doubt it because it's very low and you can easily do it. The next one here is 3.1k, which is also low, and it's make money online free in Ghana. And the next one is how to make money online in Ghana through mobile money for free, which is also very low. So since people want to make money through mobile money, I suggest we should use this one in our video today. So let me, before you can click on this, before you write this article, there's one thing I want to show you. You can either copy this, then paste it in the AI prompt that I'm going to give it to you, or you can click on ideas here. Then you're gonna get different ideas about this same article that you're gonna write. So one thing I almost do is I click on the ideas. So where is it? Here's it. So I click on the ideas. So once I click on the ideas, sorry, this one is not showing. Let me try a different one and see. This one is also how to make money online guide for things. I don't know why the ideas is not showing, but I want to show you a very simple step you can. So let's just forget the thing is not showing. So, but mostly it shows. So you don't have to worry. So once you have this, then you copy this Control C, then you come into your article or the AI one that I'm going to give it to you. So you where you can see topic, that's where you're going to put in your article. Where you can see topic, that's where you're going to put in your title article, your topic that you're going to write about. So once you put in the article here, Control V, and then the title, then put it here, Control V, then you click on here. It's going to generate you this article very easy. You don't have to worry about. So this is the article. As you can see, how to make money online through money for free in Ghana. This is the introduction. It says, in today's digital age, marketing online has become incredibly accessible, especially in the rise of global money services. Earning an income from the comfort of your home is easier than ever. So the introduction is very nice, and it's clear for readers to read, and it's simple for readers to read also, which is going to rank. Okay, so there is the article. Now there is the easiest way to write an article with Perplexity AI, which I'm going to leave the link of Perplexity AI also in the description. Yes. So after this, I'm going to show you how you can monetize it. So stay tuned. Okay, now the next thing you can also do, or the if you want to write it in a detailed way, you can also put in just the article here, Control V. Then you ask the AI to generate a blog outline for the topic or the title above. Okay, so this is the second way you can write a very simple article, or a detailed but very simple article. Okay, so now this is the outline of the article. So what you're going to do next is you're going to tell the AI to write the article section by section. In this way, it's going to write a very detailed and SEO friendly article, which is going to rank without doing anything about the article. So the first thing you're going to do is write the introduction. So here I'm going to say, now write the intro of the article. So now the article, the intro of our article is being written. This 3 paragraphs is the intro of the article. As you can see, this is very detailed. The intro alone, as you can see, it is very detailed. So you can continue on and write the session and the next session and the next session. So I can say write the first or the next section, which is section 1. So the first section, and guys, so this is section 1. So here you can see it says, what is mobile money? Mobile money is a digital financial service that allows us to store, send and receive money using their mobile phones. Okay, this is the section 1. As you can see, it's very detailed, and if you are writing a blog that is going to rank on Go, I suggest you use this format. This is the format I always use to write my blogs. Okay, so let's just say we have write our blogs finished. How are we going to monetize this blog without having a website? Or let's just say without having a website, because previously I said how to make money in blogging, how to make money writing blogs for other websites and other people. So the first thing you're gonna do, or first place you're going to go, is Medium. So you click on Medium, click on Google Chrome and search for medium.com. Medium.com. So once you get to medium.com, then go for click on it, then you sign up. So I click on get started, or you can click on right here. So once you click on right, you can go to sign up with Google. Then you choose your Google account. Okay, choose your Google account, then click on continue. So just allow it to load. So it says here your full name. So I'm gonna leave this as my full name, Delco Media. Then I'm gonna create an account. Yeah, it says almost there. Okay. So here you're gonna choose what you are interested in. So what are you going to write about? Is it program? Is it data science? Is it technology? Is it health? Is it science? What are you going to write about? So here I think I'm gonna write about let's just say self-improvement. Okay, then maybe I'm gonna add politics, and let's say health, but let me take these two for now. Okay, I think it's a future lifestyle. Okay, so before you can click on continue to choose at least three, so I choose self-improvement, politics, and lifestyle. So now continue. So you choose what you want to write about. Okay, now once you are here, how to choose your plan. You have to choose your plan. Either you choose the 5 USD a month or 15 USD a month, or you can also go for the free version, which is down here. So you can continue with free accounts here. Once you go to free account, now your dashboard is ready. So the article that you wrote, now you're gonna put the article here. So the first you're gonna copy the title. So let's put in the title here. This is the title: how to make money free online in Ghana. Let me change this into caps. So you can do it yourself. I'm not gonna waste time. Then here you're going to put in your story. So let me go to our AI writer. Then let me copy the very first one that we generated, the one that we generated very simple, in a simple way. Okay, so let me copy this one over. Then copy this one. Then you're gonna continue with the video. Okay, so once I copied this one, about to calculation. Okay, Control C. Then you come to where here, then Control V. So finally our article is being written here. So this is our article, very nice one. Okay, so the next thing you can do is you can add links. You can add quotes. You can highlight it and all that stuff. I'm not going to do everything. I'm going to show you in the next video how to write article that rank on that rank on Medium, so that you can earn money when people come to read your article on Medium. So once you are done with everything, then you click on publish. Then you add a topic here. So here I will say make money online. Okay, so this is the topic. Then I will click on publish. Now you can add more than 2 or 3 topics. So once I click on publish, now this is my article, and it says 4 minutes break. So that is the title of the article, and this is my article. So once people come to Medium and read your post, the more you get readers, the more they're gonna pay you here. And for you to easily get followers and get more views here, you can easily share your article through on your social media platforms, so that your friends and families can also view it for you, so that you can earn money. So then the second place I'm going to show you is Fiverr.com. So you can go to your Play Store, your Chrome, click on Fiverr, then hit enter. Then let's go to Fiverr.com. Okay, so I'm also going to leave a link of Fiverr in the description below. So once you're on Fiverr here, you can become a seller, or you can join as a freelancer. Okay, so I already have an account. I don't want to join. So once you join Fiverr here, as you can see, you have different services people are offering here: tech and programming, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation. So this is where you are going to be. So if I click on writing and translation here, if I click on that, you see a number of people who are also doing this. I say book and ebook publishing, editing, content writing. As in the content writing, as you can see, say article and blog posting. So you can also offer these services and make money on Fiverr here for free. So this is how you can write free article with AI and make money online for free without doing any much difficult work. And it's very simple to do. So I suggest you start today, and you start now, so that you can earn your money online or earn some little, or you can also do it as a side hustle to make some money. So This is where this video is gonna end. Don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.